Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. Today I'll show you how to do a screen printing using your Cricut machine. Now let's begin. In this project I'll be using a screen printing kit from SpeedBall, a well-known brand in the screen printing community. The kit includes a 4-ounce jar of black fabric paint, a squeegee, instructions, a 10 by 14 screen printing frame, a wooden stick, 3 adhesive vinyl sheets, and 3 transfer tape sheets. You can purchase the pieces individually on Amazon and craft stores instead of buying the kit. If you like this technique, I suggest getting more colors. To cut my design on the vinyl, I'm using Cricut Design Space. I create this design in Illustrator and upload it to Design Space as an SVG file. This design is available on my Etsy store as a digital file. Whatever is your design, it should fit inside the screen printing frame. For example, this design has a width of 8.5 inches, which means it will fit inside the frame. Click on Make It, select On the Mat, Continue. When using adhesive vinyl to make your template for screen printing, ensure you mirror your image. This is optional. I like to center the design by referring the frame's width, in this case 10 inches. Continue. Select vinyl in the material. If you're using the vinyl from the kit, I recommend adding more pressure. Now I'll send it to cut. I fast forwarded this part of the video. The process of cutting this image took 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Remove the extra material to fit the screen. Cut the same dimension on the transfer tape. When weeding, you'll remove all the areas that you want to be covered by the paint. Make sure you don't remove the counter forms of the letters. Ensure that your template has all the pieces. I recommend avoiding too small letters. The smallest font size I'll use is 30 points. Place the transfer tape on top. Use the squeegee, front and back. Remove the backing. Ensure all the pieces are where they need to be. Many people place the vinyl this way, however, I prefer to do it this way. This is the sticky side of the vinyl. Turn the frame around, center it, and place it on top. Use the squeegee to ensure it sticks correctly. Do the same in the back. Remove the transfer tape and be patient. On my first try, I broke the vinyl. If the vinyl does not cover all the areas of the screen, use painter's tape to cover them. The shirts I'm using in this video are 100% cotton. Using my t-shirt ruler, I mark the center and a corner where I'll place the frame. Prepare everything to help you have a smooth screen printing process. Place a piece of cardstock or parchment paper inside the shirt. Place the frame on the t-shirt. Place a good amount of paint on top of the screen, and any excess paint can be reused. Place the squeegee behind the paint about 60 degrees and pull it forward your image. Apply an even amount of pressure. Repeat the process 1 to 2 more times, starting from the top. Hold the frame with one hand and lift the other side. Ta-da! Now I'll be fast and apply it to the other shirts. Screen printing is great when you do many pieces with the same design. You can place the extra paint back in the jar. Now I'll go outside and wash the frame and the squeegee. Remember that when you wash it, you won't be able to use the design again. So if you are planning to make more, you must do it continuously. I'm not making more t-shirts, so I'll remove the vinyl and take the rest to wash. This is how it looks after being washed and is ready to be used again. Here I have the t-shirts. I let them air dry, but you could use a heat gun or a blow dryer to speed up the process. I'll cure the paint so I won't have any issues when I wash the shirts. As you can see, they are completely dry. I'll use my easy press at 320 degrees Fahrenheit and press it for 20 seconds. I'm placing a piece of parchment paper, but this is optional. Remember, the paint needs to be completely dry before being cured. Now the shirt is ready. I want to show you a close-up to look at the screen printing. It looks fantastic. Here you can see how it looks on the different color shirts. I hope you like this video and find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you are interested in a Cricut machine, I'll share the links where you can buy it. If you live in the US or Canada, you can use my coupon code. If you are new to the Cricut community, I invite you to join the Cricut Crafting Corner group on Facebook. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, hit the subscription button, tap the notification bell so you get informed every time I release a new video. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on my social media, like this video and share it with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.